my beautiful people, as you can see. These chickens are very big. Yeah, man. Ready for greetings, all my beautiful people. Blessed good morning, good afternoon, good night to all you beautiful people out there. All my viewers and all my loyal subscribers. It's a joy to be with you all today. Yes, peeps, who is that? Wifey and Papa. Yeah, he's, you know. Yes, peeps, that is Pops, you know. Yes, people, I'm out today. Yes, peeps, so stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be nice here, consuming apple now, peeps. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you never yet do so. Yeah, man, stay tuned for that one, peeps. It's gonna be nice. No joke. Over upon our side, a fully wicked people. Peeps, why if you out to go and consume apple, you know, see what I go on. The Prince that man does relax, so. Say hello. Can I say hi to the beautiful people, Papa? Yeah, we not blow hard, Papa. Welcome to the outside world, Papa. You see what I go on? That is that. So we active people, stay tuned. That one here got noise. Yes, peeps, we out there, you know. Nice street of mine here, peeps. As you can see. The street of mine, you know, people. That busy street already. Pops, you alright? Pops. Mom, that's why she afraid for video people. Active out here, man. Yes, people. Cool, man. Yeah. Alright, bless up. Yeah, out there peeps and kinda a Jew, so we are secure Pops. There's a few Pops up and from the people. So out here, the man there out there from there and shot. Yeah. So stay tuned peeps and full Pops. full pops and I go to school, man.
I'm going to teach you everything.
Fully sweet kid, you know, bro.
Everything proper.
Yeah, man, me there make a shirt to go down at the place at farm store.
Oh, so everything good, though?
Yeah, man, me there I do some vlogging too, you know.
Alright, do your thing,
Yeah, man,
proper.
big up and bless up, my brother. There's people and my classmate that, you know. Man, I active man, see. Baby mother, the people. So we're there in a man, you know, peace. See if we can head down to the farm store before the rain burst. I can look in at the sky and see. The sky can have a little darkness up there. You know, so stay tuned, peeps. We're out here, I do a little walk, yeah. No? Check in at the farm store. And my beautiful people, a special loyal subscriber donate to buy 2 bags of chicken feed. Well, me just tell mom say might as well we just make it up and purchase some feed. Yeah, blessings. And purchase some chicken and 1 bag of feed. Well, the money can't really purchase the 50 chicken, so we have to make it up, you know, and buy a bag of feed. So I'm gonna do a little short video to show you guys how big is the chicken them that in the cook right now, so you guys can hear update with what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, man. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's true. I go around the farm store with people. We're gonna come very, very shortly, you know, people. Wife is behind my people. Yeah, she's coming. So we out here without fear, people. A farm store here still away. She always buy, you know, so yeah, man, check in, I go around there and do the right thing, you know. Yes, we have to be smart, you know. Sometimes we have to make people tell you, say, we have to turn it. So regardless, even though we don't have the money like that, but we have to make it up and do what we have to do, you know. Guys, you know, we have to start from somewhere. Peace. Yeah, man. Check in with my peeps. Yeah. Outside the people. Farm store settings. Smile for your peeps. Yeah, I make a video and see anyone too. Active people that buy the people. You can make chicken and make nice, you know. Yeah, them in the box there, you know, people. One, remember how the people and order, you know. Order good to the people. Stay tuned, people. Yes, people have whipper here, so. I think the whipper here not so dear too. You know, but I don't know if the parts are out here for them. You know, that are the only thing. We're not trying to do it.
See more. No pull up. Take the beer. Yeah, you are going to. No, I said I can give it to you.
Yeah, I draw the that peeps. Yeah, young chicks peeps. Nice solid weight peeps.
You see that box of these? That's why I got here to chicken? No, they must have them box. Just ask them no one that get one box. Take over the supermarket.
Tell someone, how to take the chicken and pour some water from it. No. How much? Yeah, big one, please.
Not do like you know, and that's big bad.
No, fish coming here and I start too. Yeah, it's a brand new.
Alright, you have money still up? Alright, we'll get that guy right here. I'm gonna want to fight one away first. You are? What's up, Mr. I got that. When they come? I want to go back to some media last time.
Now, take the box.
Now get the box and come back. I couldn't.
Yes, peeps. And look at a box over here, so put in chicken in. Right in a box. Yeah, peeps. Walk around like you heard. Yeah, like you heard. Yes, peeps. This can't hold them, you know? 15-30 chicken, man. Yes, babes, active in the street. Link up back with wifey again. Back to my farm store again, the people. Get the chicken and one thing, huh? Rain and joke. How are you taking out on this? Inside, when I saw we get the chicken.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
Which one of them?
Princess, if you get 30 chicken, them say if you put in 30 chicken in the box here. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, the receipt around where they feed me.
This can be your
See people. They turn the box, huh? They turn back.
Yeah, just when we get a push room now. Yeah, some here. Some here.
Yeah, no credit? They get a call them, please. Nobody make that drop in now.
Get the here fast.
Oh, like, I'm that now. Push room. And one size out, you know?
Push room?
Yeah. You have a stick runner, sorry.
Slim too?
Yeah.
No, 30.
I've been boxed up liquor like it can't hold it.
Get the account them boo. Then a job catching up people. Don't know we have to start with something. Yeah, give thanks to that loyal donor too, you know. And man, see we turn it. Even though them chicken they get big what we have, we still a turn it and buy some. You know, so at the end of the day, we have something start, you know. Feeding the peeps, one bag of feed. One bag of feeding the people. Put it down there, peeps. And I put the left chicken them on it, so we have to write a name on it. Bro. Yeah, peeps, see the taste is now. Yeah. Give mother grab 2 patty. Great Russia, fully wicked, you know. That is that. Fix up wifey fast, people. Yes, so wifey are checking and we do, you know. Party we get people. Cause me want chicken, me have chicken stomach. You what the people? Yes, my beautiful people, as you can see. These chickens are very big. Yeah man. Ready for butcher, you know? Yeah man, but you know, say me there look on them like while and tell mom, say boy, we feel like we are give them one more week still, you know? But yeah man, see young chicken and the peeps. You know, them new home, have fun, I relax and say we are about to give them some sugar and water now, so we have to keep them steady and you know, by tomorrow we can give them the vitamin and things. So stay tuned peeps. Yeah man, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, see wifey they out there so. And little princess. Yeah man, so yes peeps, sorry about princess hairstyle, you know. I know for we style that, but apparently we have to just, you know, match up her hair, so she run go around on the side eh? And wifey did there go and sort out the feeding pan them peeps. So yeah man, don't worry about it. We active, so wifey even buy 2 new pan today. So the baby one then can drink water. So yeah man, it's a blessing people to see how the chicken will reach thus far. As I say, couple small one really much in there, so just tell wifey say, oh, we just give them one more week, you know. So yes, peeps, I go just put that on me on. I know say I don't really have it and thing, but I put that on me and try sacrifice and buy then 2 extra feed in there, you know. Swear to your people, because I would want wifey get a nice weight so she can eventually even buy back one next 50 again and, you know, some feeding, you know what I mean? So yeah man, at the best more to see for wifey business, you know. So yes people, like, share, comment and subscribe. Peeps, tell a friend to tell a friend. Come over and, you know, check out the EJS Wicked Vlogs. Yes, it's a blessing, it's a joy, it's a happiness to be here, you know, doing all this great stuff, you know, and all you beautiful people that is donating, it's a blessings, you know, appreciate the love and the support, you know what I mean? Yes, my people, and love you all, stay blessed.